my charts aren't working. What's going on here? My price line ain't moving. The candles aren't moving. A lot of this can be caused by having an invalid contract. For example, right here you see I have the light crude contract set to 02-24. This might be an expired contract. So how can we check this? Well, one of the things we can do is when we have our chart loaded up, try changing it to a different expiration date. Something like this. I'll do 03-24. And as you can see, the price is moving, the price line is moving, the candles are filled in. This is showing me that the chart is active. Now, another way you can do this, and this is one of the approaches that I like to do, is if I am on an expired chart like this here, what I'll do is go to my control panel, go to tools, and then select database management. Once I go to database management, I can see on here, hey, this is an expired contract and we want to use this particular one. So if I do want to update and roll over to that next contract, what I can do is select any of the symbols displayed here, make sure that those boxes are checked, and left click rollover. Once I do this, I'll get a rollover message, select yes. You'll see that this is now complete. And when I go back to the chart, it will be updated to the current expiration date. It is very important to make sure that you are on the proper contract with the right expiration date.